Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria. Just in case you guys need something else to add to your beautiful 4th of July display, I would like to show you this last minute 4th of July Firecracker Milkshake. It is quick and easy and it only took under 24 minutes to put together. So I hope you enjoy this video. I want my milkshake to look like it was just shaken. In order to give it that look, I am going to add the spackle using a stroking motion, leaving gaps, then adding the next color to cover those gaps. So this next part is optional because of the amount that was used. You can go right ahead and add your cardboard, or you can let it sit for 20 minutes. I didn't want it to disturb the whipped cream while it was still soft, so I'd use a tweezer to add the sprinkles. And here it is all done. I love the shaken look I was able to do with just stroking the spackle, leaving gaps in between each color. Well, my friends, it is also the end of another easy and quick fake bake video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I wish you all a happy and safe 4th of July. And with all of that being said, until the next video, stay safe, be kind, bye.